Okay, so this is where we left off. I'm just going to hit this little button here to route the patch cord, make it a little bit cleaner. I don't like to have those things going over each other. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to just say route patch cord. Anytime you click on a cord, it will show you that like halfway point here, and then you just click on that and it gives you some options. So let's just show you. I think it'll be easier. There's actually two things that I want to do before we get into that. I'm going to put an integer box here, and this will let us choose which outlet. Think of this router as kind of like the opposite of the switcher. It lets you send out this way or that way. And then for this guy, we're going to use something. We're going to use another integer box here, and this is going to be the final output. This will make sense when you start to see the visual shenanigans that we're going to work here. Okay, so let's start playing some videos. Let's say I want to send this fish one out. There are nice fish, and I'm going to just hit the 1 key here. We're going to send that to this guy, and then let's say I want to switch that. I want to send it out. When I go 0 here, it's going to send it to this guy. So you can see here's our pixelation. You can kind of play with these effects and get it to be something that you like. You can get it, much more pixelated here. Okay, and then let's increase the contrast and see what we got. Anything looking good here? Looking interesting. Oh wow, okay, this is kind of looking cool over here. Can you see this? So this is the inverted version of that. So that's kind of cool. Let's lower this and see what happens. Okay, that's kind of interesting. And let's see what happens here. Okay, cool. So we can go full screen and see that. So this is the fish being processed in this kind of interesting way with this combination of two different things, the pixelator, then sending it into the sketcher. Okay, so, and then you can see this should be 0 here. You can see that going there. So now what I want to do is I want to do something like this. Let's say when I say hit the number 3, it's going to choose, let's send, I want to just show you. Now what we can do is just by hitting the number 2 key here, we're sending this video output, and so now we're going to use that same effect chain and use it a different way on this video here. So now we're going to see what this guy looks like through the pixelator. Let's take it off the inversion. We'll kind of play with that a little bit. Bring this down. Okay. So you get the basic idea here. We could also colorize it if we want to send it out to this output. It's going to send it to this two-toner. So all I got to do here is hit 1. Now when you guys are working on this, I want you can see it here. And now we're going to just send this message to 1 there. So now you're seeing an alternate way of we're kind of sending this through a different food chain. We can also send our fish through that chain. See here, there's the fish with that same one. And so now I'm just doing this all with just these kind of quick keystrokes. So I'm going to add some more of these to automate this. So what I'm going to do is say when I hit the key 3, it's going to send it out that way. When I hit the key 4, it's going to send it out to the right. Okay, I'll just lock this and hit the key 3. Okay, that's 51. Guess what 54 is? 52. Got it. I can even add it in here if I wanted to. Okay, 51 and 52. And I can just use these same numbers again and go option drag. Okay. What this is going to do is just let me to send the same kind of, it's just a quick way to speed up your patching here, your little visual program. So I'm going to go like that, connect that guy, connect that guy. You always want to use as many bits and pieces of other stuff that you've already done as much as possible. So this, I'm going to say, that's going to go to this here, and this guy, it's going to go there. So when I hit 3 and 4, it's going to say 3 route it through the Pixelator Sketcher combo. When I hit the 4 key, it's going to route it through the 2-toner. Okay, and we can do our little trick here, routing that. Just get those chords out of the way. You can see it's a little intensive for the I think these movies are large movies, and my computer's struggling to play these movies, process them, and record the overall thing. So that's what's happening. So basically, what I want you to do while this is struggling here, I want you to set up one more of these 0 and 1s, let's say the 5 and 6 key, to choose between whether you're going to go out or the 5 or 6, and that's what I want to complete this. So just a fun little thing for you to do, and I'm going to be back in on Thursday. We'll be able to go write down any questions that you have as you're working on this, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Okay, bye.